What's cracking, all my do-it-yourselfers? So as you can hear, the fan's crying for help. Sounds like a rattlesnake. So this can't go on anymore. Can't sleep, can't even eat. So it's the fan or the snake. So let's take a deep dive. Okay, first unplug it, and you wanna remove the 6 screws. And some of those all-in-one screwdrivers may not work for you because the bits aren't long enough on some of them. Now I got this one on sale at Canadian Tire. I think it was about 25 bucks or something. And you got like it comes in a pouch with like 50 pieces in it. And so I just caught 2 of them. By the way, the speed you see me working at is the original, no camera tricks, see? That's why they put me in the movie, to fill in for Bruce Lee. Just playing. Yo, cause I don't do autographs, and on the real I got no intentions on starting. Anyways, back to this shit. Now you wanna just pry it off gently. So, and bang. Whoa, looks like it went through a war. The next tool in the shed you may need is a crowbar. You don't really need it because I found a workaround. I'm gonna show you in a New York minute. Now with the crowbar, what I'm trying to do without success is push the fan blades up so that it slides out. I've done it before, but this one's stubborn. Now I can go Mike Tyson on it and just bite it off, or I can go Will Smith on it and just slap it off. Options is a beautiful thing, because this is what you're dealing with. So indubitably, you can use something to, and yes, that is a word, and that's how it's pronounced.
Indubitably.
Anyways, you can use something to wedge into that area. Now, be careful not to bend the clip too much, because I've seen a guy break one. I'm not 100 on this, but I'd say Honeywell is trying to like make money off of us by making their products uncleanable. Definitely not user-friendly, you know what I'm saying? Like, remember the old fans where all you have to do is hold the blade with one hand and twist the knob to unthread it? But this gen is at war with simplicity, seems like. Like, who's trying to make a product that lasts nowadays? You know what I'm saying? Because they won't last. But since slavery was done a long time ago, it's time to put away the shanks, because I'm going to show you another way to achieve the end goal. We're going to need to do a bypass surgery. It looks like Charlie Vector 19er has clogged the system. It just seized up. I've never seen this before in 50 years. The amount of fans that are malfunctioning, it could be an EMP. I'm thinking, anyways, so I'll be going around the fan blades, just gotta do some gymnastics. So basically there's 4 more screws left. Notice how that part is barely spinning? That's a problem. So I'm gonna just wipe the black residue off.
Hola, senor.
Wait, who you calling senior? Why you so judgmental? Nah, I bald my head to get this barcode tattoo to show I'm owned and operated by the left.
We all watch CNN.
Stop make noise. You know, say, if these pants weren't so tight, I'd make you hold a drop kick. So watch, I crossed the 7 seas looking for a fan from the 90s that is cleanable and that doesn't sound like a drive-by in progress.
Of course, all our fans were made by pure-hearted people.
So what's the damages for that one on the left that moves all by itself? Already improvements. It's like moving from the hood because of progress to get to youths I deal with. Shout outs to the people who made this rag. Don't remember the company name, but y'all know who you are, so go on, big up yourself. I like this rag. It's thin like towel paper, but sturdier. It doesn't tear, it stretches a bit, and it's washable. Oh yeah, it also is water resistant. It kind of reminds me of the Trinity, because it's one rag at the end of the day masquerading with 3 attributes. What a trip. Watch out, I'm gonna zoom in on this rag with my iPhone, Zine. See what's popping. Oh. Not bad. Just for fun, I'm gonna back out the microscope to see what's really good. So I'll be using this kid's toy, comparing that sick rag that I got and towel paper. Alright, enough of this. Back to the headache. It's time for some lubrication. Everyone's been bigging up the 3-in-1 oil. So basically just lube up any moving parts. The goal here is to ease the friction. The oil between the moving parts does that by repelling the parts and keeping them cool. Alright, now that we got the head spinning, like Sleepy Joe, yo, what's good with the Dems? I heard in New York they're telling people to pack a bug out bag. They're like preparing for the apocalypse or something. Now that it's looking brand new, like my whip and my kicks, now we gotta dress it up in the reverse order we disassembled it. It's smooth sailing from here on out. Ain't nothing but a thing. Chicken wings on strings. It's almost over. Then it's time to celebrate. Since time likes to fly when you're having fun, I'm gonna speed up the tip. And off we go to the Let's play, as I don't drink too much anymore. I found the hangovers. Kill too much time, and time is money. Money makes the world go round. But I also noticed saving money is also important, because had I bought a new fan, I'd be up $30. Because I fixed it in 30 minutes. Look, in all honesty, it would probably take me 30 minutes to go to the store and buy a new one. You know what I'm saying? The reason why the fan was so unhygienic is because that's the fan preventing all the cigarette in the room. You know, say it will kill me, but me can't stop smoke. So thoughtful and considerate, cause I don't like hot boxing it. Y'all know what time it is. Will I catch a break from waking up thinking I'm beside a rattlesnake or getting shot at from a machine? If you're feeling this channel, then spit it from the rooftop. Cause I'm gonna skip putting up billboards and dropping ads. Peace.